can literally put this everywhere. It's not nasty. It's all natural ingredients. But I do not recommend that you eat it. But if you do, it will be okay because it's all natural. Alright guys, so you'll leave it on your face for 20 minutes and then you'll wash it off. As you can see, my face is like already glowing. And you're supposed to mash these completely, but I did not. So I look a little weird, but it's supposed to be like no chunks of avocado. Wash it off in 20 minutes and then you follow up with your regular skincare routine, which mine will be, you guys cannot see it, Fenty Beauty. Fenty Skin, sorry. Alright, let's ignore this bad hair day. Whatever. It's raining outside, I don't care. But you guys can see I washed it off. My skin is glowing everywhere, like a natural highlighter. So I highly recommend that you all try it. It's super cheap, super easy. Stuff you should have at home already. If you don't, just go to your local grocery store and pick up some honey, an avocado, lemon, and olive oil. Mix it all together, let it sit on your face for 20 minutes, and you have a natural facial mask. Do it yourself at home. And I am gone.